Well, gCADPlus 9.7 is now available. There are relatively small changes, but they're all aimed at making the software more convenient to use. The major change to the interface is the removal of the little mini layer tool. It's turned off by default. What that means is that if I select, say, this species, which is a jacaranda, and then I activate via view the mini layer tools, can you see it? It covers up, was quite capable of covering up the information that's in that zone. So we've removed it. You can turn it on, of course, and it will sit down in this usual space, bottom left. So that gives you the ability to move around in the drawing, tagging or clicking on a species, and you'll see its name in here. That, of course, assumes that you have attached a plant list, which is in the order of botanical name, common name, type, code, and so on, to the individual symbol. What I've done is applied a little code to the center of these symbols, so DOVI for Dodonia viscosa, and I've used the gCADPlus URL entity tool to tag that piece of text. So if I double click on that piece of text, it goes straight to an image file and shows you an image of the species. I'll return now to gCADPlus and we'll scroll out. So I've tagged Agapanthus and Dodonia viscosa and the jacaranda species there. So you might like to utilize that facility and tell your clients, here's the gCADPlus drawing. If you download the demonstration copy of gCADPlus, you'll be able to look at your drawing and get a look at some of these species that we've used for your design. Your clients can't print the drawing or alter the drawing in any way, but it gives them quick access to the species that you've used. If I select on that ellipse there, notice how far down the data goes for the ellipse, and that's really one of the reasons we've removed that miniature layer tool. Easy to activate it again, so there it is, it sits there. But if I did pick the ellipse, can you see the information about the ellipse goes under the mini layer tool? We've also improved the tool that lays out or aligns text. So in this office area here, we'd like the text to be lined up. So I can now select all three pieces of text, go to Tools, and it's Modify and Align Text. Select the text to align. We can now pick it with a crossing window like so to grab all of those, hit Enter, left for left justification, and now the text is left justified. We probably want to move some of that up. So we've made small changes to the URL, to the text align tool, but fairly mellow, fairly major changes to the position of the mini layer tool.